Do you like custom cars, motorcycles, or the look of a new car? Do you have an eye for color or style? Do you want to have a skill that is needed anywhere motorized vehicles are on the road? Then Automotive Collision Repair Technology is for you. The two biggest investments that people make are a place to live and transportation. With the skills we teach in Automotive Collision Repair Technology, you will enter a career that will keep you excited as well as rewarded. Painting a car, repairing a collision, or building a custom car or bike is like nothing else in this world. It is a very visual experience for the technician and the customer. Unmasking a freshly done paint job is almost like unwrapping a present. It has that new shiny look that is so interesting and is what many reality TV shows highlight. San Jacinto College South's Automotive Collision Repair Technology program is part of the iCar Alliance. All of our full-time instructors are iCar certified, and we teach using the iCar curriculum. This assures a student is taught using the highest national standards that all the top schools use, most of which cost tens of thousands of dollars. At San Jacinto College, you earn iCar Gold points, but more than that, you earn college credit, a claim that most top schools cannot make. All this for less than half the cost of the best-known top schools, while earning an occupational certificate, certificate of technology, or an associate of applied science. We invite you to learn more about our programs and to learn how you can fast-track your future.